My people, how una dey today? Our topic for today na you no dey make sales because you no dey follow up. My brother, how you go dey sell products? Customer ask you how much? You answer, brother Ijiro, Mr. Man, the price is 7,500. Dem say okay, I go get back to you. And na the last time you hear from them. Omo, e no be jazz o, na your lack of follow up. Because you dey ghost your customer now. Cause too many hustlers dey lose money, not because say their product bad, but because dem dey ghost their customer. You go just leave the customer like say na your ex wey dump you that year, and you go dey shout business slow, but na you dey slow your own destiny. Abi, how customer go say I will get back to you and your only reply na okay o? You no even fit ask, when can I get back to you also? What time can I call you? And when are you looking to make this purchase? All those kind of questions you no ask. You just dey wait 3 weeks later, still nothing. You dey do like ghost hunter wey dey find client spirit. No be you dey put money for their pocket now. Follow up no mean say you dey disturb person o. It mean say you dey serious. You fit send a simple message, hey boss, just checking in, still interested in that product we discussed. You fit even drop discount or add urgency like limited stock remaining o. If you no buy now, the product fit finish o my oga. All those kind stuff. For example, my guy Bayo wey dey sell sneakers, once he started follow up, his sales increase times 3. Why? Because people forget, get busy, or dey compare with other vendors. No be only you dey market now, remember. You remind them, you win them over, and you have your sales. To follow up like a pro, e no too hard. Just do this thing. Step 1, use their name. Make you personalize it. Make dem know say this guy know me o. You know say I truly ask product from him hand. Make I no disappoint am. Customer go buy from you. Step 2, no dey beg o. Just remind them. How you go dey beg your customers? If you dey beg them, you be like you no dey offer any value to them now. Just remind them what value you have to offer them. Step 3, time it well. No message person for midnight o. Make you no collect swell. Step 4, follow up 2 to 3 times. Then let go if dem go. Step 5, use voice notes or video. It shows your effort. Sometimes, just greeting the person again with hope you are well boss fit revive the sale wey you don forget o. Follow up no be say you dey message dem 6 times in 2 hours. Na harassment be that o. Create a system. For example, on day 1, you fit chat there. You fit leave a day or 2 days in between. Follow up on day 3. Hello boss, I still never hear from you. Whatever the response of the client, check back after 1 week later. If dem no answer, leave am. You plant seed ni, some go grow later. For example, someone you follow up 2 weeks ago fit come back and say, my oga, I don ready to pick that cloth up o. I dey ready now. Make we run am. How many pieces dey ground? Send me so pieces. And that's it. You don make your sales wey you don forget. If you dey serious, make follow up part of your process. Use notebook, reminder, or CRM. If you don big, that one na for big men o. Cause to automate business no be small money o. You go shock how much money you dey leave on table because you no follow up. Business no be yahoo. If you no follow up, you go follow regret. Stop ghosting your bag. This na Street MBA with Kapick. We dey run hustle with sense, not guesswork. Drop your own follow up gone wrong story in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share with another hustler. Class from close for today. Apply the lesson learned. Washiri.